Hi, welcome to the sixth and final part of the Spur gear housing in Onshape. So first I want to create two more planes, therefore I will go up to that feature here, so roll to here. It's not necessary but it's convenient, and I need to show all my planes. Okay, and I will need two more planes, so go for plane. It should be with an offset to that's the front plane, like that, and it should be 21 millimeter, and another one again parallel to the front plane, and it should be minus 21. That's not possible, so let's go for 21 and flip the direction like that, and okay. Now let's rename these to 21 and minus 21. Okay, I will roll to that fillet here because I need a copy of that part. And similar to the NX version, you can do sort of a timestamp if you copy it in place. So let's go to transform, and I want to copy a part, and I want to copy it in place. And which one? This one. And confirm, which gives me an exact copy. But this is not associative to the later features, it's just associative to the body in this state. So let's roll to the end and see that's the original part, and that's the time-stamped copy of that body. Maybe hide those curves. So let's move on, hide all planes, and I want to use thickness to make the inner body of that housing. So let's go to thickness, thicken, and I want to thicken it 6 millimeter on this side, and it should not be added but removed, so let's reverse that. It will be removed, same here, and on those here as well, and confirm. And then I have to do a thickness here on this face, so go for another thicken. This will be 1 millimeter right there, and again reverse the direction. Yeah, that's okay, and confirm. Great. So I want to reuse some sketches, and maybe it's a good idea to show all sketches. Show all sketches and maybe hide the part. I will need a copy of this sketch here, and that's sketch 11, so let's go and copy that sketch and paste it onto the top plane that should do. Okay, and this should be edited, so let's go there and edit it. Maybe look from above, and this should be 80 millimeters and this should be 30 millimeters. Sadly, those sketches stay not fully constrained, therefore I will have to align them once more. So where is it? Let's move it up a little bit, move it over here a little bit, and it needs to be symmetric somehow. So let's go for symmetry. This one and that one should be symmetric to that plane here in the middle, and these two should be symmetric to this one here. Okay, and I'll leave that sketch. And now I can make an extrude which should go up to the top plane, to the uppermost plane. So let's show the planes, all of them. Yes, and so that sketch here, that last sketch, should be extruded with an offset of 1 millimeter. Should be extruded up to this face here. Yes, and offset distance would be no, let's go with a starting offset of 1 millimeter. Let's try 10 to make it visible in which direction. Yeah, that's the correct direction, so let's go for 1 millimeter and let's confirm this. Great, it's a new part, yes, and I want to use the fillet. I need 5 millimeter fillets on this edge, that edge, this one, and the one here behind, that one, and confirm. Great. Now if I copy these two sketches, nothing is one because they're not fully constrained, so I can draw them new. And I need that sketch with the 2 points. So maybe that's sketch 7. Yes. So maybe hide all apart from sketch 7. Okay. And let's make a new sketch on the front plane. On this one here. And okay, hide that part, and I need those 2 points, so bring them in. So this point here and that point here. I need a circle, and therefore it might be good to see the part here. Yes, so that circle here should be 80 millimeter, and the other one should be, let's do both of them in the same sketch, should be 85. Okay, and finish that sketch. Now those two could go up to that plane, because they will be removed anyway. So let's go for an extrude. It should be a new solid, yes. It should go up to a face, and the second end position should go up to a face as well. So the sketch would be this one and that one. They should go up to this face here. First direction, and second direction would be this plane. And confirm. Nice. Let's bring in that part. This one. And I need to cut from this part. So hide this one, that one, this one. And therefore I will reuse sketch 8 and 9. So let's make it visible. Sketch 8 and 9, sketch 3. Where is it? And there you go. This one and that one. And I want to go for a removal, and I want to remove, maybe switch to, no, it's not here, maybe just hide that for the moment. I want to make an extrude and then another extrude, both of them at once, and they should go up to first direction, up to face, and that face would be maybe that face here, yes, and they should start at a plane, at an entity, and that would be the 21 plane. Let's try to select it. That would be this one, yes, looks good, but this should be 21 minus 5. So, or no, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. And the merge scope would be, of course, part 2, this one here. And confirm. Didn't work. Merge scope should be this one. Now it works. Okay. Same on the other side. So let's reuse that sketch once more. So go for another extrude. It should be removed. This one and that one. It should go up to a face, in this case that face, and it should start with an offset, again with an entity, and the entity in this case would be that plane here, the 21 minus plane. Let's try to select it, kind of hard, like that, and the merge scope would be again part 2, and confirm. Great. Now I could hide the planes. All planes. So let's hide those sketches. Hide all of them. And I need 10 millimeter fillets on those 4 edges. This one, that one, and of course this one. Okay, great. And I have to simulate, as I did in Catia, the fillet, because the face fillet will not work here as I need it to work. So I will need sort of a hold line, and I will simulate that with a 5mm fillet along that edge here. And it should, yes it does, and confirm. Yeah, and I will use the same values on the other side. So I need it to do only on one side. Okay, so let's add a fillet with variable radius. Okay, let's go for 4mm all around. Yes, and now I want to use the vertices. This one, that one, yeah, this one and that one, and the last two should be 8mm, and I need 2 more points on the edge, so let's go for location half of the edge length, and this might be 6mm, and add another point on the edge on this side again with 0.5, so it's half and 6mm, and let's confirm this. So this looks already really good. You might have to add one more point here and over there. I will leave that up to you. So now I want to delete this one here, because I don't need it. It was just for reference. It was the fillet 42. Hopefully that will work. Yes, great. Okay, now the same on the other side, same values. So let's go for another fillet with variable radius. Select this edge here all around. Add those vertices. This one, that one, this one. Those two should be 8mm. Add point on the edge here with a 6mm radius, and on the other side as well. And let's confirm this. Great. Now let's bring back those other parts. This one, and this one, and that one. Now I could make a union of those. So go for, where is it? There you go. Boolean. Let's make a union. This one, that one, this one, and that one. Confirm. I've missed this one, obviously. I thought I've selected it. Now it should be, yes. Okay, let's bring back that inner part. And maybe I did one undo too much, because that should not be here. So that must happen before. Let's hide this, because that one is correct, but there is this one. So I think I have to change the order. The order should be changed. So this part should happen before I cut out this. Let's check it out. So let's bring that bar up to this Boolean operation. Go to here and check those parts. That's this one, that's that one. Cooling. This is still here. That's extrude 10. So that extrude 10 should happen after I've cut out this one here. So that's extrude 10, extrude 9, 8, 7. It's before the linear pattern, before the rip. That's this extrude here. So that extrude 10 should happen before this extrude, obviously. So let's take it on the sketch and move it this one and that one, or I could start that extrude from a different plane. That would be easier to do. So let's go to this extrude and let it start not from here but from a different. So let's go to starting offset and choose a plane, an entity, and that would be of course the top plane, this one here. That should fix that problem. Looks good. So let's roll this to the end, at least up to this one. Roll to end. Yes, this looks okay. Bring back that part. Yes, that's okay. And now subtract this part from that part. So go for Boolean, subtract. Target would be of course that part, and the tool will be this part. And I don't want to keep the tools, that's okay. Let's just confirm. So this looks really good. What's left to do? All the holes, and I will leave those holes up to you because I think you can do those holes for yourself. And that's it for today. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on Facebook, Rapcat, Instagram, and especially on LinkedIn Learning, because I have there, I think, 4 Onshape courses. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.